Assalamu alaikum. It's day 2. We're about 6,000 feet above sea level in the village of Ayat Uthman. That's about 2,000 feet higher than Ben Nevis, highest point in the UK. This is a village of, this is a village of 162 families. We're distributing your winter aid. This is, once again, we got blankets, we've got mattresses, we've got hygiene packs. Please dig in. £50 provides a food parcel for a family for a month. We're aiming to try to help these people get homes. The homes, one quarter is £975 will provide a quarter of a home. Yeah? So please dig in and help us with food packs, with winter survival kits, and let's try to get some homes for them.
TaskforceGLM will be distributing food parcels, hygiene kits, and non-food items, organizing medical camps, and providing prefab houses. Visit our website taskforceglm.org